Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my house. Hopefully you guys can get some cleaning motivation from this video. So I started off my cleaning here in the master bedroom, and this is where I usually start cleaning. And during my morning cleaning routine I just start by making my bed, cleaning up my bedroom and my bathroom. And I also wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Vixing, and I'm going to be using a few of their products throughout this video. The first one of their products that I'm going to be using is this Aroma Diffuser and their essential oil set. There's two essential oils in this little box, lavender and peppermint. So first I started off by getting that diffuser out of the box and getting it filled up with water. I love the size of this diffuser. I think it's the perfect size for a nightstand, and I also love that the top of it clicks into place. It doesn't just easily lift off. I've had oil diffusers in the past that the top of them just easily lift off, so I really love that this one just clicks into place. So then I got those essential oils out, and I'm using some of the lavender essential oil in the diffuser, got that filled up with water and got it going. And this has LED multi-changing lights, or you can set it on a sleep mode where there won't be any lights and it'll just be diffusing the oil. I really loved everything about this oil diffuser. I highly recommend it. I think that this oil diffuser and this oil set would make the perfect Christmas gift if you're looking for a gift idea. Next, I cleaned my master bathroom, and then I worked on folding the clothes that were in the dryer. All those clothes were folded and put away, I started working on getting this kitchen cleaned up. It was pretty messy, lots of dishes to wash, and I also needed to empty the dishwasher. once the kitchen was cleaned up, I got this ultrasonic humidifier going, and this is also from Vitsing, so I just got that out of the package, got it filled up with water. This has a large capacity, it can hold a lot of water. It's super simple to use. All you have to do is add water to it and get it started. It has an all-night mist and an automatic shut-off, and it's also a really quiet humidifier. So this is the last product that I'm going to be showing you from Vitsing, and this is probably my favorite product out of all of them. It's this nice handheld vacuum, cordless, portable. It's easy to charge, and this thing has awesome suction. And I've had a portable vacuum before, like a cordless vacuum, and the suction on that one is horrible, but this one has amazing suction. It comes with all of these ends for the vacuum, and I used that to vacuum the couch, and I was just blown away. I love how much suction this vacuum has. I'm really excited to use it to clean out the truck because, like I said, the handheld vacuum that we have now does not do a very good job. The suction on it is awful, so it's really hard to clean the truck. So this one is going to make it so much easier. These handheld vacuums are just great to have, especially if you have little kids. Makes it so much easier to clean up the messes around the house. So I'm really excited to use this. I highly recommend it. So that is going to be it for today's cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and you can get 25% off of the products that I shared today with the code down below. I'll also have all of the links for those products down there as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.